And from South America to North America, whereas increased vaccinations and massive fiscal stimulus unleashed pent-up demand, US consumer prices, they were up by the most in more than 8.5 years last month. It has kicked off what most economists expect will be a brief period of higher inflation. The report from Labour Department also showed a firming in underlying prices last month. The broader reopening of economy bumps against bottlenecks in supply chain, capacity constraints and higher commodity prices. Meanwhile, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and many economists, they view higher inflation as just transitory, with supply chains expected to adapt and become more efficient. The supply constraints mostly reflect a shift in demand towards goods and away from services during the pandemic. Now in its second year it is. The Consumer Price Index, it has jumped 0.6%. Last month a jump mostly reflected dropping off last spring's weak readings from calculation of those so-called base effects. They're expected to push up annual inflation even higher in coming months before subsiding later this year. Stocks on Wall Street were mostly higher yesterday and the dollar slipped against a basket of currencies. US Treasury prices are up slightly as well. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.